Chip is the core technological product in the information era. It was born of a grain of sand. The semiconductor material used in chip is monocrystalline silicon. And the core component of sand is silicon dioxide. Going through the silicon smelting, purification, high-temperature shaping and rotary stretching, sand becomes the monocrystalline silicon rod. And after cutting, grinding, slicing, chamfering and polishing, silicon wafer is finally made. Silicon wafer is the basic material for semiconductor chip manufacture. To meet the requirements of quality control and process improvement, and facilitate the management and tracking of wafers in subsequent manufacturing testing and packaging processes. Specific marks such as clear characters or QR codes can be engraved on the surface of the wafer or crystal particle. Laser marking uses high-energy beam to irradiate wafer in a non-contact way, while executing the engraving instruction quickly. The laser equipment also needs to be cooled by SNA UV laser chiller to ensure the stable light output, and satisfy the high-precision marking requirement of wafer surface. From a grain of sand to silicon wafer, then a complete chip. There is a very strict demand for the precision of the production process. Laser marking's precision is inevitably linked to the precise temperature control solution. SNA chiller seems to be small in the complex and tedious process of chip production, but it is an important precision guarantee of the intermediate link. It is with the guarantee of countless detailed precision that the chip goes to a more sophisticated field.